Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make a Christmas type star. First of all, you have to take a piece of your favorite color, fold it into two equal halves, press well to have crease. Then fold it as shown in the video. Okay. Folding from a point to have a mark. Now from one end to the center. Done. Make the folds equal so that it may look elegant. Cut it. Okay. This is our main piece. We have to work on it to convert it into a Christmas star. Many creases on the paper. So it is a pentagon. Now fold as shown. Doing this step from all sides, we now have a structure to work on. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Also share this video with your friends, family members and relatives. Folding inwards from all the sides. The same steps. Press well so that it may become easy for you to fold it inwards, okay? You may visit our channel to have a glance of more origami tutorials like this. The cone type structure is done. Now open it. Alright, many creases showing a star type structure. Now a circular pattern of folding will make it more elegant. Press it inward so that you may have a small star type shape in center. Press. Okay. This step is a bit difficult, so do it carefully. You have to take a thick piece of paper so that it may not tear while foldings. Nearly done. Now, some more detailings to make it perfect and well defined. Now shape the middle star as shown in the video. And ta-da! It's done. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.